your boy Jayban here. So guys, today in this video I will tell you that how you can activate your Windows 11 if you have installed. How you can activate your Windows 11 for free and for lifetime. So guys, in previous video I have shown you that how you can install your Windows 11 on supported and unsupported PCs both. So now today in this video let's activate our Windows 11. So before getting started, I would like to tell you that if you have not yet subscribed my YouTube channel, then please subscribe it. Press the bell icon and hit the like button to stay notified about my latest uploads. So now let's start the video. So first, let me show you that my Windows is not yet activated. And guys, this thing will not work on only Windows 11. It will work in Windows 7, 8 and 10 also. I have made the video also earlier. So you can check it. So you can see that my Windows is not yet activated. It is showing an error. So now let's close this. So now let us see how we can activate our Windows. So now for this we need to visit our Google Chrome browser, and this will only this is available on only Google search engine. You can try it from there. So now let's search. So to start, so let me show you. So now here just type Windows. Here just type Windows activated txt. You can see that here it is. You can see that this is the first link. The link is also in the description box. You can directly go from there. So you can see that this is all the code here. So now press Ctrl A to select all. Press Ctrl A to select all. And now press Ctrl C to copy it, and now minimize the browser, and now open the notepad, and now paste all this code. But before pasting it, I would like to tell you that turn off your antivirus software. And guys, if you are using any other antivirus software like Avast or Kaspersky, then please turn it off. Otherwise this process will not work. And if you don't know how to turn off your antivirus software, if you are using Windows Defender, just open your tray, and here will be the tray icon. Here will be the tray icon, Windows Security. Just open it, and now after opening it, you can see this is the interface of Windows Defender. And now click on Virus and Threat Protection. You can see this is the Virus and Threat Protection. Open it, and now go to Virus and Threat Protection settings. So now click on Manage Settings, and now just turn it off. And after the activation, you can turn it on. So now after you turned it off, so this was the for Windows Defender, how you can turn it off. And if you are using any other antivirus, you just search on Google that how to turn off, and then you can turn it off. There will be steps, and then you can turn it off. So now just paste the text, press Ctrl V. So you can see that the text is successfully pasted. So now just click on this file button here on the notepad, and now just go to Save As. And repeat, don't click on Save, but click on Save As. So now I would like to save the file in desktop, and now just give a name here, and guys, give only this name. This is compulsory, and the name is windows.cmd. And guys, this is the compulsory. You don't have to. If you give any other name, then this process will not work. And now in the Save As tab, just select here all files, and now click on the Save button. And now the file is saved. Let me show you. Now close the notepad, and now this is the file. You can see it has got a gear icon. And now if it has not got a gear icon, then save your file again. It will get a gear icon. So now let us see that how we can activate our Windows. But guys, I would again remind you that turn off your antivirus software. Otherwise, if you have not turned this off, it will delete the file when you will execute it. So now let's start the activation process. But I would again like to show you that my Windows is not yet activated. So for that, open Start and Search Activation Settings and open it. So you can see that again my Windows is not yet activated. So now let's activate. So for that, just open your saved file, right click on it and click on run as administrator. And if it asks for permission, give the permission yes. So now you can see that here it will take some time. Give it time, don't launch it again and again, otherwise it will crash.
The dangerous groups that we're dealing with now.
Guys, till that I would like to tell you that if you are not yet subscribed my YouTube channel, then please subscribe. Press the bell icon and hit the like button to stay notified about my latest uploads. So now you can see that it has been getting activated. And guys, here you will tell that here it is only written Windows 7 to 10. So how it can activate our Windows 11. So guys, there is not much difference in Windows 10 and 11. So you can try it on Windows 11. It will work. So guys, give a little bit time here. It will take some time. And guys, I again tell you that don't save this file in txt format, but save in the batch file format, in the saving method I have told you earlier. And guys, this is the DOS method we are using. guys, here if it shows these types of errors, then ignore it and just continue your waiting. It will activate in few minutes and it will show this error 2-3 times. Just ignore it.
The dangerous groups that we're dealing with now.
So guys, now you can see that our Windows is successfully activated, and here don't close the file until or unless it tells you that that product is activated successfully. And if it shows here, would you like to visit my blog, then just type here end to close it and the program will execute. And now you can delete this file. Our activation is completed, and now just you can turn on your antivirus software if you want to turn it on. So now let's turn this on. So I have turned on my antivirus software. So now let's see that our Windows is activated or not. So for that, just open the activation settings again. So let's search it. Open it. So guys, now you can see that our Windows is successfully activated. So that's all in this video guys. I would like to tell you that if you have not yet subscribed my YouTube channel, then please subscribe it. Press the bell icon and hit the like button to stay notified about my latest uploads. And also I would like to tell you that if you have not visited my website, then please visit it. Its name is appkazana.com. Here you can find latest apps, games and web apps made by me. And here we have recently published our Android web page. Here you can download our first Android app, which is a Paint app. So that's all in this video guys. Goodbye.